Good day guys, welcome back to another video with Mr. Sa. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to find the original price when the questions look something like this guys. So let's get to it. Now first of all guys, I'm going to teach you guys on how to do it using what I would like to call the number method. And the second, when we're going to be using algebra. Alright guys, so first, what do we know from this question? We know that 25% of the amount, so of something, is equal to 40, right guys? So what we are going to do is first we're going to find what is the value for 1%. So if 25% is 40, 1% will be 40 over 25, right guys? So we know 1% is 40 over 25. Now after that, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be doing 100%. So keep in mind, if 1% is 40 over 25, 100% will be 40 over 25 times 100. All right, guys. Now after this, let's go ahead and simplify them. Now, we know that 25 and 100 can simplify. Now you can either do 25 change to 1 and 100 change to 4, or if you want to do it step by step, you can divide both with 5. So 25 will change to 5, 100 will change to 20, and then you simplify it more. 5 will change to 1 and 20 will change to 4. All right, guys. After that, we cannot simplify the numerator with the numerator anymore. So we have 40 times 4, which is equal to 160. All right, guys. Now this is using the number method. Now if you guys want to use the algebra method, now let's get to it. So in this one, we got to find the original price, right guys? So original price, let us take it as X. All right, guys, let's take it as X. So we know that 25%, so 25% of the amount or of the original price, so of X, is equal to 40, right guys? So 25% of X is equal to 40. Now next, what I would like to do is convert 25% into a fraction. So we would have 25%, so it is 25 over 100 multiplied with X is equal to 40, right guys? Now transposing 100 to the other side, division is going to change to multiplication. So we have 25x is equal to 40 times 100, right guys? 40 times 100. Therefore, x here is equal to 40 times 100 divided by 25, right guys? Now we are back to the same step right here. All right, guys. Now let's go ahead and simplify them. 25 will change to 1. 100 is going to change to 4. So what do we have? We have 40 times 4, which is equal to 160. So whichever method you guys do, the answer will still be the same. Now what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to put on the pause button and solve the second question by yourself and come back and check if you guys got the right answer. All right, guys. Now I'm going to use the number method, which is technique number 1, to solve it. So what do we know here? We know that 60% is equal to 90. Therefore, we know 1% will be equal to 90 over 60, right guys? 1% will be 90 over 60. Now 100% will be 90 over 60 times 100, right guys? Now let's see what can simplify. We know 0 and 0 can simplify, and also 9 and 6 can be divided by 3. So 6 will change to 2 and 9 will change to 3, correct guys? After that, we see that 2 and 100 can simplify more. So 2 will change to 1 and 100 will change to 50. Therefore, what we have left? We have 3 times 50, which is equal to 150. Therefore, the original price in this scenario is equal to 150. All right, guys. Now, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like button. And of course, guys, please let me know in the comment below which method that you guys prefer to solve. And of course, if you want me to do any particular topic, don't forget to comment below, guys. And until next time, guys, I'll see you. Have a nice day.